Smart Integration's scan-to-email application converts hard copy documents into searchable and editable digital file format. Files are sent as email attachments to one or multiple recipients. From the MFP home screen, select Smart Integration Apps. Select Scan to Email. Press Email to add email recipients. You can select from the pre-programmed email addresses or manually type the email address. Pressing OK takes you back to the main screen. Press Subject and type in the subject line, then press OK. Select OCR and choose your desired file format, then press OK. Provide the file name. If the file name is left blank, the file will be named with the date and timestamp. Select Scan Settings and make changes as needed. Press Start to scan. If scanning more documents, select Continue. When done, select Finish. A preview of the scanned file is shown. Press Send. Document is sent as an email attachment. Smart Integration Essentials can be configured with one-touch scan-to-email buttons. Select User. As you can see, email address, subject line, and other settings like OCR are pre-configured. Click Start to scan the document. Smart Integration Essentials provides simple and quick scan-to-email operation.